I'm trying on some new pairs of good American jeans. And how freaking cute are these ones? I feel like I have no just classic regular dark denim, and they're so like comfortable. I always like do this, and I'm just like literally obsessed with their jeans. So some of the stuff I got for Christmas, they have such cute tops. And then these I'm really excited about because they're like pant material. And then I wanted just like a gray pair. This one has rips in it. And then I love their jeans so much, I just wanted a classic black pair. So if you guys aren't familiar with Good American, one of the founders is Khloe Kardashian, so I'm sure you've seen it, and I'm totally obsessed with their jeans. One of the things that sets them apart is that they're made for all body types. Their sizing is insane, and you can always see what the model looks like on your body type. They have so many different fit models. It's absolutely amazing, and their denim is like premium quality. The whole brand is about body inclusivity and positivity. There's something for everyone, and I'm not kidding you guys, these jeans fit so comfortably. They're like so nice. So it's not only like they have an incredible message, but the quality in the actual clothing is so good. I was like shocked when I got my first pair and instantly became obsessed with the brand. So when they wanted to partner with me, I was like, yeah, I gotta hook my girls up. So what I love about these jeans is that whenever I wash them, put them back on, they stay the exact same quality, and they actually have so many styles. You would assume, oh, it's just like making sure you have like your classic pair of jeans, but it's not. They have so many different washes and styles and colors. Like I have all of my classic ones now, and before I just had all my kind of like trendy, really cool pairs of jeans that you guys are always like, oh, where are those ones from? They're like so cool. They have the cut and the flare and all that stuff, and I'm obsessed with them. So I finally was like, okay, now I need my classics. So now I have black, gray, I have like the nicer formal pants. I also am obsessed with their activewear. It's super breathable. It fits so well. I'm someone that you might think it's easy for me to find jeans, but it's actually not. Sometimes like when I sit down and then stand up, I'm like hiking my jeans back up. They fit perfectly over any butt, hip, waist, everything. It's so good, you guys. I cannot stress this enough. Thank you, Khloe Kardashian, for doing the Lord's work. Now I can give you 20% off. All you have to do is go to goodamerican.com/LaurenElizabeth, and you can get 20% off your order, and they're gonna offer you guys free shipping on orders over $100. If you haven't tried these jeans, take this opportunity. I'm like literally obsessed. I'm so happy to be working with them, and I'm so happy to have all of these new pairs of jeans because they're just absolutely perfect. I'm gonna show you guys some other styles on my Instagram too, so make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can see how I fully style my looks. Your girl is looking so bad because I picked at my skin horribly. So I texted Sonia. I don't know what's going on with like my skin right now. I have been taking really good care of it, but I haven't been like eating great. So we're gonna do a double whammy, get my skin taken care of, and do a mini what I eat in the day when I'm like on the go. I never really vlog on Tuesdays because Tuesdays when my housekeeper is in and I just hang out with her baby and she cleans, and then usually I kind of catch up on all my TV and then record the podcast. So today I'm gonna kind of show you guys a little bit of BTS of what I eat in the day when I'm on the go, and like kind of like my go-to things. And I'm gonna do like a few of these so you guys can see how different every single day is, because I'm not always the healthiest person. I'm not always the most productive with food and all that stuff. So this is not just an average day. This is literally just today. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm just a normal gal that is gonna show you guys skincare, food, cute clothes, BTS of a podcast. Let's do it. We're in my new car. How freaking cute is she? I bought a tripod and it's not the right one. But right now we're gonna do another get your shit together with Lauren, because that's pretty much what I do every day since I can't keep it together. Don't blame me, okay? I look so bad. Hopefully I look better when you see me next. Home, housekeepers are gone. Then I went to the grocery store. So like sometimes I sleep in, which is a lot of times. And if I have to be somewhere right away, I don't like have as much of a morning routine. But I was so freaking tired that I got a Starbucks. And I was so tired that I didn't use my reusable cup. So please like don't at me. It was a one-time thing. I'm sorry, I digress. Then I like to do lemon water and celery juice in the morning. So I always get an extra, so that just in case I don't have time to go to the grocery store that morning. And then my other favorite juice that I do at night as like a sweet treat, not like super late, I do this strawberry rose almond milk. It is so, so good. It's literally just organic sprouted almond milk, organic strawberries, raw honey, organic rose water, and pink salt. So it's super, super good. It tastes like a milkshake. Then for actual breakfast, besides like lemon water, celery juice, coffee, I like to do a smoothie. And I read somewhere that like, if you have a smoothie, it doesn't process in your brain that you like are actually eating because you're not chewing. So sometimes if you're a smoothie person and you don't feel fulfilled, it's like a mental thing. Side note, I don't know. So obviously lemons for lemon water at night and in the morning. And then obviously I do my green smoothie. I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. I'm having Michelle and Cassie over tonight, so I got a few cheeses just to make a mini cheese board. Sometimes I get the pre-cut cheese if I'm lazy, and then sometimes I'll do this to just cut up the cheese as well, because when you have people over, it's really nice to cut some of the cheese before they get there because it's easier for people to pick at and like start eating. But I got 1, 2, 3, just 4 cheeses. I feel like when you have 3 people, 4 cheeses is enough. I always do a soft cheese, something that's like a little nuttier. So this is like almost like a little more Parmesan-y, but it's not Parmesan, obviously. And so then I like to do like cheese, like a cheddar, because then, you know, like if you have a picky eater, everyone kind of likes cheddar. And then something that's just like more mild and white. So that's kind of just like covers like the classic core for a cheese board. And I really wanted to put grapes on it, but I forgot to get them. And then a little bit of nuts. So that's kind of like the bare minimum cheese board, and they don't eat meat, so I didn't have to worry about getting any meat. Then for dinner, these I'm absolutely obsessed with. These are the Beyond Meat plant-based patties. I'm not plant-based, obviously. I like eating meat. I apologize for that. But these are weirdly so good. I'm like weirdly also obsessed with them. Not a big fan of the taco meat version. Maybe I just haven't had it the right way. But for some reason, I'm obsessed with Beyond Meat burger patties. So I got some stuff to make burgers for dinner. And then for lunch, I usually just do a salad, something really simple, just greens and protein. And that's kind of just like my on the go, making sure I get fuel throughout the day. I snack a lot. I'm obsessed with dark chocolate pretzels. As you can see, these ones are almost gone. I have 3 more bags. And then I'm obsessed with Smart Sweets, and I eat probably about 2 of these a day at least. Then I have like stuff like this. I like putting peanut butter and jelly on these little rice crackers. It's more of a texture thing than like a thin crackers thing. Then I got these ones are already pre-layered with dark chocolate, so I was like, sign me the hell up. And so then I have tons of like pita chips, popcorn, cheese puffs, like fake flaming hot Cheetos, fake potato chips, just like the healthier version that's like obviously not healthy. I'm still eating like crap, but at least it's from like Whole Foods. I'm making an early dinner because A, I'm already hungry, and I know I'm gonna have a cheese platter in a little bit, and I want to be able to eat before I have to record. So I just did a crappy job of little condiments, have the buns, and I'm gonna try cooking these Beyond Meat patties for the first time. Looks like meat, smells like meat. Hopefully I don't screw this up. I even set a timer just to make sure. I did a little bit of salt and pepper, and then this is the romaine, some cheese. This was me being selfish and wanting to eat this. Please, please let this work. Please let this work. Please don't set off the smoke alarm. like a no makeup kind of day after my facial from yesterday because everything is pretty much down. I feel like my skin looks a lot better. I don't even have anything on yet, but this is just red from yesterday, but they're totally flat. This one's like literally totally flat and gone. This is my mole, so don't judge me. But my skin is like literally so much better. I'm so mad because my camera memory card like broke after I recorded the podcast on it. I was like down to one memory card, and then all of a sudden after doing the podcast on it last night, it stopped working. So that's why I'm filming on my phone. But like I always say, this is good quality. I like filming on the phone sometimes. So sorry, but I'm gonna Amazon some new memory cards today and figure out the whole car tripod situation, because like what the heck, why can't I figure it out? Should I just like message David Dobrik and be like, hey, what do you use? So basically I showed you guys kind of like what a usual on the go day looks like. And I thought it was gonna be more on the go. I thought I was gonna order more food and thought I was gonna eat out at like restaurants more, but I actually ended up doing a pretty good job of cooking at home. It's totally not like a normal day or anything. It's just kind of like what I eat in a usual day, which is always like all my beverages in the morning and a light lunch and an easy dinner. I'll try to show you guys more of like what I eat throughout the day and stuff like that, because it's always changing. Especially, it's so weird, my brother's been like gone because he started school again, and usually we always like Postmates at night. So usually when I eat with my brother, it's like we get like pizza and wings and all that stuff. And I got like so lucky that the one day I was filming, he had night class, and I actually got to make like a Beyond Meat burger. I've been feeling so much better with like those simple little like morning routines of like the smoothie and the lemon water and the celery juice. And celery juice is actually really good for your skin. So I've been trying to force myself to do tons of water, tons of lemon water, celery juice, and then I also take like a probiotic that Sonia gave me to try to clear up my skin faster as well. I put up the podcast this morning with Cassie and Michelle. They came over last night. I didn't get BTS because we were just like laughing so much. I got one picture because Claudia texted me and she was like, if you don't get a picture, I'm gonna kill you. And she's technically my boss. So I got that picture, and I didn't get any BTS, but the episode is so good. I really think you guys are gonna love it. I feel like we got some like pretty good bachelor tea. Like there was stuff that like I didn't even know, that I've never even asked her about going on The Bachelor. So it was really fun. I think you guys are really gonna like it. Don't forget to go to Good American and shop all the jeans. I'm literally obsessed with them. I just started reading a new book last night. If you guys wanna check out my reading list, it's up on my website. And I've already gotten through, I think 3 of the books. I read The Wives. I just finished Verity like 2 days ago, which was insane. Like craziest book ever. It was so crazy. Like I read thrillers all the time, and I was like not expecting this at all. And then I'm reading now, it's called like Turn the Key or Turn whatever. It's on the website, but it's really good so far. And it's very different. Like she's like the whole book starts off where she's like in prison. And like usually it starts off, I don't know, just like different. Usually it's no one goes to jail in the thriller novels. Everyone gets away with it. So I'm like, ooh, this is different. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little vlog of just like what I'm eating, what I'm doing with my skin, what I'm wearing. I'm so happy to be back making videos for you guys. I hope you've enjoyed the first 2 videos of 2020. I've been talking to you guys so much on Instagram, and it just makes my day every day when you guys DM me, and I'm just so happy you guys are loving everything as much as I am. I am going to have just a work day from home, do a lot of content and a lot of planning. I have some meetings that I'm really excited about because there's like so many things that we're doing in 2020, like fixing some things and like leveling up, and then also like a little bit of new stuff. So I'm really excited to just like get after it. I think you guys, if this one thing that I'm working on works exactly the way I want it to, you guys are going to literally freak out and die. I mean, being an entrepreneur and like a founder of a company is really hard. And so if I can pull this off, it'll be insane. So please pray for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Make sure to subscribe so that you're always the first to know when there's a new video. Go listen to the podcast in the meantime until the next one, and follow me on Instagram so I can chat with you guys. And I hope you have an amazing week. Try to make the smoothie. I think you guys will really like it. And tag me on Instagram and send me a picture so I can repost you. I'll see you guys in just a few days. Bye.